Greetings, fellow Americans. Welcome to Fireside Chats, State of Our Nation. I am your host, Susanna Tanner, candidate for Congress 2026 and President 2028. So, there's definitely a lot going on, never seems to stop. That's not necessarily a good thing. So I saw a headline that read that Alex Murdaugh's conviction for murder against his wife and son was overturned and that another trial was ordered by the judge. After reading the article, what I saw was that the court reporter or someone directly involved with the case in the court hearings made a statement or a few statements to the jury that were influential or may have influenced the case, influenced the verdict. So a new trial has been ordered. These setbacks are disruptive to our Department of Justice, to our justice system. More resources will be used. Family and witnesses all have to go through all of that court process again. And all of this costs mental health, as well as re-traumatizing others who may have been involved. It's lengthy. And the assistant who made these statements should not have made them in the first place. It's unprofessional to say anything biased, like I don't trust or don't trust the prosecution, or other statements like this woman allegedly made. This error in judgment is a huge disruption and very costly. If we need additional oversight in our courts that can prevent bias interference, then let's get them hired. The Secure America Infrastructure and Services Act can pay the salary. And I think most of us will agree that we need more oversight in our judicial system. I also read an article with a headline pretty disturbing. MAGA pastor declares it doesn't matter when confronted on Trump grabbing women against their will and bragging about it. There are over 1,000 comments on this article. It doesn't matter, is what he said in regards to the president grabbing women and bragging about it. This pastor should lose his ability to be a pastor. And this guy, just like Trump, tried to throw things back on the reporter, the interviewer. The reporter shot back, but I haven't grabbed women against their will and bragged about it, or posted a video of the Obamas as apes. So maybe there's a sliding scale of what people do and how we should judge them. So the pastor says, ultimately, God is our judge, not people. We judge all the time. We judge people by their actions and behaviors, their words and their deeds. Maybe the Bible tells us we should not judge lest we be judged. But unfortunately, that is not how humanity works. Regardless of how you view things, our society judges. And to judge someone based off of their behavior towards others will give us a really good indication of where their spiritual stance is. Where Donald Trump's spiritual stance is that he does not care what anyone thinks. He's going to do what he wants, when he wants, whether it violates your space or not. It doesn't matter if you're male or female. I believe the pastor should not be trustworthy. So those who frequent his parish or where he gives his sermons, please take care. That is all I have for today. Thank you for your time, and may our path lead to peace and prosperity.